GM everyone. So I'll be explaining DataCLoud. So this is a project that we built in Fail Genesis Hackathon. So yeah, I can start. So the thing is, data is the new oil. But right now, if you want to monetize your data, you have to hand over the raw files. That means P2 takes GDPR violations and zero control once the data leaves your data leaves your hands basically. So DataCLoud fixes this. It's a Filecoin-native data marketplace where you sell queries, not data exactly. Buyers pay tFIL to run analytics and ML. They get results, never raw records basically. So I can just go to the seller's dashboard. Here you can just so first off you have to basically connect your wallet, and right now I can let me just drop this healthcare trials over here. I can just put healthcare trials. So I upload my data set. It goes to IPFS Pinata for discovery, backed by Filecoin for decentralized storage. I set my price for, but first let me just put some wait, so so I can just basically check with the categories. I can do multiple things like analytics, correlation analysis, and I can even set the price. This price can be given to us, like who is basically selling the data. We have written multiple contracts for this, which just a second. I can show you this dataset registry where if you sell your data, so this base price per query that you will get after everyone basically do the query on your data. Basically you are not gonna sell your data, they will be basically querying on your data set, right? So you can just set the 0.05. I'll just sign in and we'll just confirm this, and then afterwards it will be basically sent to Pinata for storing it. The transaction is queued, but it will be done. Okay. So it's like my data never leaves the platform. Buyers can only run the queries types I allow basically, right? So once this uploads, it will be uploading on Pinata. Buyers can run these computations, as you can see, statistical aggregation, which is sum, average, count, etc. And for analytics, they can basically get the comprehensive analytics due to with the AI. And yeah, so till this happens, I can show you how you can buy data. So you can just basically select a data set. Let's say I can go to DeFi protocol activities. So as you can see over here, these are all the columns in this data set, and I can just basically check like let's say what's the highest gas fees in this data set, gas fees. So it will just go to AI will basically check with this data set, and yeah, see this is sum, but it should be max. Grouped by gas fee should happen. Maybe yes, yeah, optional. This is optional though anyways, so I can just put it none, and I will just pay to execute this transaction, because this AI would also cost some of computation. So we'll be taking some amount of cuts from this from running these AIs, and you'll be getting the most the one who is selling the data set, that data basically they'll be getting the highest amount of price per queries, right? So is this done? Yes. So the healthcare also is done, so we can do both at the same time. I'll just go to another one. I can check to healthcare trials, AC. So I can just see how many patient how many active patients. Let's see, active patients in week 3. Let's say we'll just say yeah, we'll basically see. So after how many active, so it will do the sum. I can again pay some of tFIL to execute this. So here we're not even selling the data, right? It is just basically doing the queries on your dataset. So I can just do this. So here, so this is the one that we've done for the highest gas fees in this particular DeFi protocols. So as you can see over here, dataset is this one, function max, and so the max gas fees was 18.4 GUI, I guess, and the whole size of the dataset is 35. And yeah, as you can see, the dataset ID is 2, query hash is this one, result hash is this one, this is the worker. And yeah, so AI insight is also there. So highest gas fees observed is the maximum fees gas is 18.4. AI also insights on this dataset if you are not able to read the JSON dataset, the JSON values from the queries. So you can just basically do this also. So we can yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching our project. So this is the full stack of this project is Filecoin, decentralized storage, data is durable and probable. IPFS we are using for content address discovery and result storage. Smart contracts are our dataset registry for metadata. QueryMarket is for escrow and payment. Privacy preserving compute using AI, which is bias get results, never raw data basically. So an AI layer is there, which is basically natural language queries can be done by the BIOS, and automated insights are there so much so that it will be very much easier for them to understand what this particular data set is about, right? So they don't have to worry about if this data set has so many issues, it is very much yeah. And this also is done. This is the what do we call analytics of this whole project, whole data set. As you can see, total records for this the duration days. This is the thing we are using to basically categorize them, and mean, median, and all the other stats. As you can see, time series is also there. And yeah, so here you can see the insights also, like trial duration range from 40 to 56 days with a mean of and stuff, high availability, standard deviation of 6 point. This is all the statistics that can be understood by the AI folks or analytics folks. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching this.